So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can get GTA 5 in your PC. So in order to do this, what you have to do is first make sure Epic Games is installed in your PC. How to do this? You have to open Google Chrome or any web browser you like and search for Epic Games. Now just click the first link which appears here and click on download. Now once you download this will install an installer for Epic Games, and once you run the installer, it will install Epic Games in your computer. After you install Epic Games, this application would be shown on your desktop. Just run this application, and once you open this will ask you for your account. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account, or if you already have an account, just sign into your existing account. Now, once you are in your account logged in, just search for GTA, and you will find Grand Theft Auto 5 here. Just click on this, and once the loading completes, there will be you will get this button buy now. Just click on this and enter your card details and everything, and once you send the payment, the game would be added to your library. And once you have the game in your library, you can just click on the game and install it anywhere you like. So yes, this is how you can get GTA 5 on your PC in 2026. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.